As a mid to large-scale company, how can you benefit from open compute infrastructure? Innovation is a strategic choice. Not every company is willing to make the change, but those that do often end benefiting in the long term. Here is where OCP hardware comes in. If you are a mid to large-scale enterprise, you can enjoy improved compute capacity, deploy server infrastructure far more rapidly, compete with public cloud, reduce your carbon footprint due to significant gains in energy efficiency, reduce your maintenance costs, reduce your overall TCO. So what exactly is OCP? OCP stands for Open Compute Project, which is a global community of technology leaders working together to reimagine hardware whilst breaking open the black box of proprietary IT infrastructure to achieve greater choice, customization, and cost savings. It is led by companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Intel, Rackspace, and Goldman Sachs. There are many advantages to OCP hardware because of its toolless design and generally holistic approach to data centers in its infrastructure. It is modular, flexible, and highly scalable, and is also energy efficient and easy to maintain. Its open specifications allow for a better understanding of the underlying components and using the hardware's full potential. How can you get started with OCP? Circle B has a simple yet comprehensive 4-step process to set you on the path to a sustainable infrastructure. Test. We allow potential customers to run their current workloads in the lab environment of the Experience Center on our OCP servers. Here we can assess what kind of resources a customer would need for their workloads. Design. The primary phase in any development lifecycle. In this phase, our team of able engineers start understanding the requirement, resulting in a full bespoke hardware design ready to be quoted to any potential customer. Build. Post the test in the design phase, our team of engineers continue to integrate your bespoke server and create a reliable environment which would run an enterprise's workload efficiently. Deploy. Once our engineers have built and successfully tested an enterprise's environment, we would then be ready to deploy the solution to the enterprise. Contact us today on circleb.eu.